Number 60. We're basically trying to find the original function. So I'm going to rewrite this as dy equals secant squared 2x dx. Because this right here is dy dx, and then move the dx over. The two steps in one. Then, to get the original function, I want to integrate both sides. I now have y equals this. Now you could have kind of just skipped that and just said, okay, when I integrate f prime x, won't they give me f of x? And when I integrate this, won't that look like this? You kind of skip the green step. I'm just kind of showing you what's happening, because you should know the integral of this is f of x, which actually that should be f of x in the end. I kind of switched it. But anyways, f of x and y are basically the same thing. It's just different ways of writing it. And then, okay, isn't secant squared x tangent x? But we need to change 2x, so what's the u is going to be what? 2x. So du is simply 2dx. But there's no 2dx here, there's just a dx, so you have to divide by 2. So I now have du over 2 equals dx. So dx is the dx, and the 2x goes into 2x. So it looks like we now have y equals the integral of secant squared u. Oops, isn't there a 1/2 out front? I had to squeeze that 1/2 out front, because isn't this 1/2 right here? Kind of squished that too much. But you see right here, the u went in for 2x. The dx is du over 2, but instead of putting du over 2, I put the 1/2 out front. Hopefully you'll get to the point where you can jump to that step. Kind of wrote that too small, sorry. So y equals 1/2. The integral of secant squared u is tangent u plus c. So let's plug in everything. Let's plug in our coordinate. This is going to be 2 equals, can I change tangent to sine? And this is a 2 cosine. Tangent sine over cosine. And what are we plugging in for x? Pi over 2. Alright. So again, tangent and sine over cosine. The 1/2, the 2 goes on the bottom. Pi over 2, which of these is 0?
You have to take 2x back in, 7. It's a pi.
Okay. Ooh, thank you. I forgot. What I forget? Isn't this become a 2x? So shouldn't this be a 2x here? Which, wouldn't that make there a 2 right there and a 2 right there? Which you can't see very good. Okay, that's a 2x. Because we had to plug u back in. Thank you very much. So the 2's cancel. So 2 equals, what's sine pi? 0 over 2 times 1 plus c. So what's c? C equals 2. Thank you for correcting me. Y equals, my answer, 1/2 tangent, was it 2x? Plus 2. There's my answer.